Hello viewers, you've reached Frank with Lightning Force Productions, and today I'm going to show you how to install the Neptune Rising add-on for KODI on your Mac or your PC. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you want to do is go ahead and find KODI and open it on your Mac or PC. If you have not installed KODI, please follow my tutorial how to install KODI on your computer. Once KODI is booted up, go ahead and find Settings, which is the gear icon on the upper left hand side of the screen. Click on that gear icon, and then on the next screen look for File Manager. Go to File Manager. Then what you want to do is you want to double click Add Source. So go ahead and click on that, and once Add Source is opened up, then on the top where it says None, go ahead and click on that and then type in the following URL: http://repo.mrblamo.xyz/. Once you've typed that, go ahead and tap OK, and then it should look just like that on your screen. Now right where it says enter the name, just type in Blamo, all capital, B-L-A-M-O. So type that in and then tap OK. Perfect. Now, if everything looks okay, tap OK again, and then you want to go back to the main screen. So go back to the main screen on KODI, and once you get there, the next thing you want to do is click on Add-ons, and then click the package installer icon on the upper left hand side of the screen. On the next screen, go ahead and select Install from Zip File. Click on that, and then look for Blamo, the file that you named, all in capital. Open that up, go in there, and then once you get there, go to repository.blamo.zip. Now, some of the numbers might be different because you might have downloaded a higher update after the time I've aired this video. That's fine. Once you've seen it installed, you'll see Blamo Repo, it'll say it's successfully installed. Now the next step is you want to go to Install from File Repository, and then select Blamo. After that, go to Video Add-ons. Go ahead and go inside of Video Add-ons. And now the next thing you want to do is just go ahead and find that add-on now. The add-on that we're going to install in the tutorial, which is Neptune Rising, right there. It's usually towards the top. And then click Install. And that is it. A very simple tutorial. You will see that there's a bunch of add-ons that are being installed and enabled, like common add-on methods and MySQL, Metal Handler. There's a lot of add-ons that are being installed with that application. Now, if you're having trouble and Neptune Rising is not installing, that means that some of these add-ons are not being enabled properly. The best thing you can do is go ahead and completely uninstall KODI, wipe the data file that's associated in your computer, and then reinstall KODI, and then go ahead and try it again. And then Neptune Rising should install just fine. This problem usually happens when you have conflicting add-ons that are already installed in KODI, such as any other add-on that you currently have right now if you had KODI for a while. But if you're new with KODI, you just installed KODI, then you shouldn't have any problems whatsoever. Just make sure you have an internet connection. And that's it. As you can see, I've got all the categories here listed: action, adventure, animation, everything's in there. And now I can feel free to watch anything I want. That's how you install the Neptune Rising add-on for KODI for your Mac or your PC or Android phone or any device that has KODI. My name is Frank Cusimano, and I'm with Lightning Force Productions. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe, hit a like on the channel, and you have a great day.